What's up, guys? It's D bringing guys another video. I decided to film my intro while I'm sitting in traffic right now. So as y'all can tell, I'm not in the F90 right now, which means I still haven't gotten the car back. But we did get some glorious updates this week. The motor finally got back to the shop, and they have started putting it back together. I am so excited for that. Hopefully they can have it back together and in the car within 2 weeks. Hopefully, that's what we're shooting for. They took them about a week to take it apart and out of the car, so, giving them 2 weeks should be hopefully enough time to get it back in the car. I'm driving by an accident right now. Can't really see what happened, but I see a lot of state troopers and sheriffs and ambulances and fire trucks going by me. Hopefully everybody's okay over there. When I get up to it, I'll try to show you guys, but yeah. It is definitely slowing up the highway. Oh yeah, I'm also testing out a new setup, Hopefully it's looking pretty good. I got this new mount for it inside the car. I think I'm going to be using it when I do my racing videos and point of views, give y'all guys a different angle of what it looks like to be racing in a car. Undercover F-150 is wild. We're almost to the accident, so. Dang, son. That's a whole nother car. Oh my God, there's a whole nother car over there. Yo, that was wild. Like 5 cars. They're all over the place. I want to know what happened. Somebody was playing ping pong. It looked like everybody was okay. Saw a bunch of people standing out. I don't know what the fire trucker is crazy. Fireman was doing under the car on that last one, but hopefully everybody's okay, because all the cars are pretty smashed up, so yeah. Alright guys, so we just made it back to MSR. Let's go ahead and go into the shop real quick and check out our motor. Got some cool stuff going on here. Alright. Where is my baby? Wait, for real, where's my baby? Are we over there? Here. Alright guys, so they've started putting the motor back together. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and look at some of the parts on the table and whatnot. Alright, so we got gaskets, engine gaskets, OEM type stuff. Normal stuff over here. The old turbos, those ain't going back on there at all. Them stock things, look how tiny those things are. I'll mention them before in another video, but yeah, those things are tiny. Then we got the tops right here. Well, tops. The heads are right here. It's still in plastic. And then over here, under this, we'll take a peek ski. Look at that. Look at that thing. It's looking so good. My baby. I have more. I don't really want to uncover it fully, but I have some more footage once they start doing a little more on it. But we're moving along, guys. We're moving along. While I'm thinking about it, I don't think I ever showed y'all which rods are going to be going in my build. Pause. Rod. That was childish. But so we're going to be using FCP FCP engineering rods will be going inside the car. They're going be good for the amount of power that I want to make in the vehicle. And they weren't too bad on price. I'll have another video later on doing a full breakdown of everything, of how much it cost me to build my F90. And if y'all want to go that way, that direction, y'all can. So put these back in there. But yeah, so that's the quick update on the car. We're making progress on it. I'm very excited to get this thing back on the road. We'll be there shortly, guys. And with that, I'm going to end the video. It has been D. If you guys enjoyed this little quick update, definitely leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.